gonna put my bus pass to the test and have a bit of a day out somewhere. I'm in Forest at the moment where I live, so I'm gonna go on the bus to, I don't know yet, I'll find out when I get there. Mystery tour. There's the first one.
The next stop is Moody Castle.
Like a mirror. What you making up for that? This is what I want to be at. Caledonian Canal. This is the flight of locks at Fort Augustus. Can't see nothing. So bright. I've got my jacket on, just so I can carry my phone and vape stuff and that. It's too hot for a jacket, but don't get me wrong, it's not 30, but it's probably a lovely, maybe 18, somewhere around there. Amount of people here. It's so quiet. Everyone just sort of whispers. Tranquility. How's Sarah doing me? Some boats going up the locks here. I'll have to one of them poached, I reckon. £100? Grand? Per hour to run? Look, I've got a water in it. See how low that water is? Compared with this one. So I let the water in from there to fill that up. So these waters have to be levelled. It's quite a long-winded process of at least half an hour or so. Ground under repair. That's the golfer in me. Take a drop, put it down here somewhere. Came here with the intention of painting, but I don't really know what to paint. Too many things. Hills, trees. Lovely backdrop up there. That water just looks very dark brown. There looks, still got a brown tinge to it, but then as you go into this goes blue. Spirit of Scotland. Whiskey for sure. Oh, there's a boat coming down this way though. I reckon he'll have a long wait because of all them boats coming up. He'll be going down, so he's going to have to pull up on that berth, whatever you call it, over there for a while, I think. Let's have a wander here. Well, he's got his engine on, so like a cafe or something. Restaurant. What geezer? Egg and bacon on toast. Couple of bits of sausage. Oh, that's square nonsense, neither. Be a proper size. Proper shape. I'll turn that boat round. Aye, Captain. He's so quiet. It's not as if it's empty. Just so quiet. Oh, it's an old rust bucket. I've got sports field there. Netball or basketball or something. Oh, that might be quite nice, that little red building there. We'll do a bit of the canal, red building roof, hills in the background. So where would I need to be for that? I think when I come back around that side, I might be too close to it over there though. I don't think there's part to it about smashing it up. That noise coming out of it, all the water coming out of it. Pre-holders only, what a rip-off. What was a swift or something? Swallow? Where are them? Swift, swallow, or house martin. What it's saying to me. What's this little thing twittering about? Looks like a sparrow, but it's probably not. So you've got a lovely, beautiful sunny day. It's about 20 degrees. And if you look over there, I don't know if you see it on the camera, but over there, there's snow on them hills or mountains, whatever they are. Not high enough to be bad, never, I don't think there's more over that way. But it's still a bit chilly over there, lad. Well, if I was to stand still, and swallow things would probably come past me. What if that thing's actually floating? Or whether that's just like stuck on the bank. There we go. Swallow, swifts, or I can see blue on them. Quite a few of them actually. Swallows, swifts, or I don't think they're house martins. I'm going to go for a swallow maybe. So they look like quite brownish underneath. Definitely got a blue bit through them. They're taking photos or something, but I don't know what. Maybe it's more than a swallow. Oh, there's a couple of ducks. Well, there's a duck and oh, so it's just little ducks. Oh, there might be house martins because they're up in this by his house here. Look. What does that mean? There's house martins. Probably a million in that house. I could definitely see like a bluish purple colour in them. So, I mean, this old building here, that's possible that could make a good painting because it's all old and knackered looking. It's a really lovely, beautiful day. Just open the locks up for these. How quiet that thing is. I think that's the sound of a biothruster. Not sure, I think it is. And they're off out Caledonian Canal. There they're going. Sorry. Ah, that's the area. cruisers. Sure, these are all rented out. Rented out for a week or whatever and then poodle along. Locks are all shutting again. All electronic here. Old Lochy over there. Oh, actually, when he shuts them, I'll be able to walk over that, won't I? Have a wander over that side. I want to take a picture of that red building there. That's a feature. Oh, I could sit on that bench, couldn't I? Still a painting. Good idea. Come on then, hurry up. Place should you go? Just had a walk from up here, which is the sort of town bit. Caledonian Canal comes here. Boat here, Lord of the Glen. Big old thing. Right now, Loch Ness. Real monster, she's out there. Unless you're about to go and find it on. I'll get my thing first. That's the only pond coming in, I think. Bit hanging about that boy. Pasta grande.
Oh yes, I do.